Welcome to our channel. Unboxing TP-Link Omada Business Mesh Wi-Fi. Plug and power up. Get your Omada controller or SDN software on a PC, and your APs, switches. Plug them in. Make sure the APs are on the same network as the controller. Don't overthink it, just power them up. Lights should start blinking. Install the controller. Download the Omada controller software from TP-Link's site or grab the hardware controller if you got one. Run the installer. Defaults are fine for now. If it asks for a port or path, leave it unless you know why you'd change it. Connect everything to the network. Hook your APs and switches to your LAN. Wired is better for first setup. Wireless adoption is cool later, but don't start there, it's a headache. Adopt the devices. Open the controller. You should see your APs listed as pending. Click Adopt. Wait. Yeah, it takes a minute. If it fails, check your firewall, antivirus. Sometimes they block the discovery. Set up SSID and password. Go to wireless settings. Name your network something normal, not Wi-Fi 1234. Set a strong password, WPA2, WPA3. Don't leave it open unless you want random people surfing on your bandwidth. Check firmware. Go device by device. Make sure firmware is up to date. Omada likes to throw errors if the controller and AP are out of sync. Update now, or you'll regret it when it randomly drops connections. Optional tweaks. VLANs, guest networks, bandwidth limits, mess with them if you want. Honestly, get the basics working first. Once it's stable, then go wild. Test speed, roam between APs, see if devices auto-switch properly. That's the real proof. Thank you for watching.